Hi, welcome back to BuonaPappa. I'm Barbara and today we're going to cook together a lovely baby puree. We are going to prepare asparagus almond pear baby puree. This recipe is appropriate for babies starting from 9-10 months of age. I consider asparagus the king of spring. It's such a lovely and yummy vegetable and it's loaded with good nutrients. I'm lucky enough because my kids, they really like asparagus, and it's fun because my little one likes only the spears, but my older one, he likes only the stalks. So together they love the entire asparagus. As I really love asparagus myself, I started offering asparagus to my kids when they were babies, trying different options of asparagus puree, because asparagus has a kind of very peculiar taste. So I wanted them to get used as soon as possible to the beautiful asparagus taste, so that now, as soon as they see the long stick at the farmer's market, they are the one asking me to buy it. Today's combo is a lovely one because I mix asparagus with almond butter, that is a lovely source of proteins, and pears to give a kind of sweet, very delicate sweet to the recipe. Also, pears are amazing when your little one is just a bit constipated because they really help with the bowel movements in a soft and delicate way. But let's go back to asparagus. I really would love to share with you some good facts and some nutritional values about asparagus to underline even more why it's important to add asparagus in your baby's diet. From a nutritional point of view, asparagus is very rich in vitamin C, A, and B. Not only, it's a lovely source of folic acid. Not only, it's also high in iron, calcium, and it's a lovely source of protein. So many reasons why to give asparagus to your little one. When to start offering asparagus? It's better to wait 9-10 months of age because, like the crucifix family of vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, asparagus too might be a bit difficult to digest by little babies 6 months of age. So just wait 9-10 months and you will not have any kind of issues with the digestive system. Not only, asparagus is a lovely idea if you're following the baby-led weaning method or if you're looking for any kind of finger food. Simply steam the asparagus, chop it in small pieces, and your baby will be able to enjoy it with his hands. But let's go back to the recipe. Super simple, super easy, and super yummy. First thing to do, we are going to trim the asparagus with the snap way. You can simply snap out the hard part at the bottom. Then chop them in small pieces. At the same time, core the pear and do not peel it and chop it in pieces. In a steamer, cook the asparagus for 8 minutes. In a tall container, add the steamed asparagus and the pear, and I didn't cook the pear, I'm using it raw, and also I'm not going to peel the pear because I want all the good nutrients in the skin to go into my puree. Add the almond butter, and you can use any kind of nut butter that you like. In my personal taste, I really like the almond butter because I think that it's very delicate and works very well with the pear flavor. You should not need any thinning liquid because the pear is enough watery to mix together all the ingredients. Still, if you want a more running puree, you can use some of the steaming water, residual steaming water from the asparagus. Using an immersion blender, transform all the ingredients in a nice and smooth puree. That's so easy. You can serve the puree right away, room temperature, or you can store it in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, or you can freeze it for up to 3 months. Also, if you want to give more protein to this recipe, at the beginning in the steamer next to the asparagus, you can place some pieces of chicken or turkey or even fish, white fish, and steam together and puree everything. In that way, you will have a really complete, loaded with protein meal for your little ones. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you have any comment, leave it in the area here below. That's also where you can find the link to my blog with all the ingredients, the written procedure, and many other details. And most important thing, remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa if you want to receive every single week a new baby and toddler recipe from me. Subscribe. See you next week. Ciao, ciao, ciao.